Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use crying filter on Instagram. To get started, open up your Instagram application and then tap on your story option. Now from here you could see the filters that are available for Instagram. Now if you swipe left, there you'll see an option for browse effect. Tap on it. Now from here you can browse any effect that you want. You could also see the crying filter because it is quite popular these days. But if you don't, you can simply tap on the search and search for crying. After you do that, it will show you tons of crying filters that are available on Instagram. Select the one that you want to try out. Tap on try it. Now this filter will be applied. If you want, you can also download it to your screen. If you go back and you can tap on the download option, now it will start to show in your filters area. Now you can see the crying filter has been added to the filters tab next to your home button. So that's how easily you can use crying filter on Instagram.